you could do a few things. You could say, I want to create a custom metric, which is where I take all of the, let's say, traces from my app, and I want to send to Grafana. I'm not going to create this just because I'm not sure it makes any real sense. But you can take the root spans, so those are traces in Embrace, and you can take their total, and you can see how many occurred. You could filter by the ones that have errors, so any failure of an important process in your app, which my app is perfect because it's a demo app, so there are 0 failures, but I would bet for a live app that's working in real life, it'd be different. And so you could apply filters. You can also apply group bys, which are just additional attributes. And so when you create this, we're previewing the data here, but you can then send it to, if you're using Grafana or if you're using a different source. This is how you can forward as a high-level metric that information. I'm going to go back to the previous just to show you again what the graph looks like. That'll all send as one aggregated metric of user activity. So it'll send as metrics data in a time series over time. And you can also look into the results of those. So this is like this specific graph down here with the overlay shows how long it took for the process to complete. And those are metrics on what is occurring in the app for those specific flows. Take some planning in terms of first you have to add the instrumentation to the app to start getting the data into Embrace, and then from Embrace you have to figure out what it is you want to measure in something like Grafana. But I think with those 2 steps in mind, that's how you can start to get it here and look into it